Hi guys, it's Johnny from Calpanic Games. So I have started creating a tutorial series on how to make enter the gungeon type of game. It's a top-down shooter game. It's a roguelike. So that's a kind of game that we're gonna create. And before I start anything, I like to clarify that I'm not gonna teach you the C sharp basics or the Unity basics. I will assume that you already know that. And also another thing, the assets that I will be using are premium assets, so I really cannot share with those with you. Also, and I urge you to use your own assets. You will learn much more better if you use your own. And so that's out of the way. Let's start our lesson for this. So this is an introduction to what we're gonna make in the course. And let's see what we're gonna make. Over here I have some images ready for you to showcase for our first chapter, where I talk about the similarities of the player and the enemy and what they're gonna have. Okay, so as you see, the player can move, the enemy can move, the player gonna have some health, enemy also gonna have some health. The player can will be having weapon to use, and the enemy also have a weapon to use. Both will be needing a collision detection, and the enemy also will be needing a collision detection. So as you see over here, there are a lot of similarities. And if we go ahead and try to make like each things for each enemy and the player, that will be redundant and not being productive in terms of programming. So what we're gonna do is like make a base character, or call, you can name it character or entity, whatever you prefer. And we gonna try to inherit the player class and the enemy class from that uh, base script. And in the next video or upcoming video I will show you how to do that. So that's how we're gonna approach it. uh, it will make our code much more cleaner and much more faster, and we'll be having doing less work that way. Okay, so over here also they gonna have a health system, so that will be all gonna be shared too. And there's some like things that can be easily done. So the enemy gonna be AI, meaning artificial intelligence, and our player gonna be player. We can achieve this by creating an enum. The easiest way of doing to do this is creating an enum. And well, as you will see in my next videos how to do that. And the structure of our game gonna be like we will make it in a way that it will be really easy to extend upon it and make what we want. And but for the sake of the tutorial, we'll have a generic player and generic enemy type. And we gonna also have, let's see what else we are gonna have. We're gonna have some shop system, we're gonna have some uh, like a dash or a walk or things like that. So if you see over here, the enemy gonna use weapon, they're gonna use an aim, ammo, melee, flip, and health systems. The movement type gonna be like walk, run, and dash. If you want to do for the enemy, you can do that too, but I'm just gonna do it for the player. And we're gonna have a lot of other system like a boss fight and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you'll be having fun in the course and learn a lot. And also keep the bear in mind, I'm also learning few different things and some new stuff, and I will teach you as I learn more new things. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates, and hope to see you in my next video. And if you like my content, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So until then, see you next time.